Good morning, everybody.
Cricket lovers.
We welcome you to this DRCC cricket tournament. We are here for the fourth quarter final, which is currently going on between ICC and Dana Royals. Dana Royals are 44 at the end of 8 overs. We are now into the last 2 overs.
DJ, score.
Ahmed and JP are on the crease.
44.
And we are entering into the very interesting phase of the game, the last 2 overs, which may decide the outcome of the match. So let's see.
DRC needs about 60 runs.
Good ball,
Good run.
right up to the bat. It was a catch to him. He dropped it, and they took a single of it. Good start to the over. Just 1 run for now. Now JP is on strike. They need at least 12 of these last 2 overs to make it a competitive total. It's a full toss. He goes high. It's in the air right now. Ranjit is under it and he drops it. He drops it and they take 2 runs. Too much happening in one ball. It was a hittable delivery. The ball took the top edge. Ranjit was under it and he dropped it. These small mistakes can be very costly. Third ball of the over. No. It's again another single to short mid wicket. They are doing this very good running between the wickets happening right now. They are taking run on each and every ball. Ahmed is on strike now. That's a full toss on the stumps, and it's gone for 2 runs. Ahmed is moving out the crease to distract the bowler, and the bowler got distracted.
Discussion.
4 balls, 6 runs has come. This very nice over for Dana Royals. That's what they need.
What do you think will be?
Anything above 55 is a very good score here.
What we need is maximums from Ahmed. If he can hit couple of sixes from here, they will be in very comfortable
score
position.
should be around 65. Because the ICC batting is very strong.
This is the 5th ball of the over.
Yeah. Let us see. A single.
Another single. Now 7 runs have come of the over. 2 twos and 3 singles.
44 and 7. 51. Yeah, 51.
51.
51. From 9 point. Camera.
They are changing the field before the last ball.
Camera nahi hilna chahiye.
Again,
good run.
the non-striker was wide enough to take the single. That's a very good running between the wickets. 8 run has come of the over.
For last over, Ahmed should have kept strike.
Now it's a 52 after 9. It's a very good score. Very, very good score. It's a good score.
It's a decent score, yeah.
This pitch is not coming onto the bat. The ball is skidding through. Anything above 6 runs per over will be very much defendable.
Let us see Rohan last over.
Rohan is bowling the last over.
Ahmed should face maximum balls in this over. If he can convert 1 or 2 in 6, it will be more than enough. 60 plus is more than enough in this ground.
And he has given the strike to Ahmed, which is what they need. First ball single has come. Score is now 53. 9.1 overs.
Let us see what Ahmed will do from here. Rohan to Ahmed.
He's already moving around the crease. He strike. He wants to his 2. He wants to take 2. That's. They are running hard. Should be easy.
Wow.
and they get there. That's a very good running between the wickets from Ahmed and JP.
Score is 55.
They know the importance of each and every run on this ground.
Score is 55.
The score is now 55 after 9.2 overs. And the most important thing is that Ahmed is back on strike.
Rohan to Ahmed.
He's bowling full tosses and he's just hitting them out of the park every time. Another 2.
57. So it is
Now
exactly 600.
That's 57 after 9.3. He's bowling to his strength. His strength is square of the wickets on either side and he's bowling them full tosses. So he tried. Again, it's an edge. It was a hard catch for keeper. They are running hard for the 2 and they have come back. The keeper was agile enough to take a hit. If the ball has hit, Ahmed would have been out. But it's not the case. Instead, they took 2 runs again. 9 over 4 balls. 59. They are reaching towards their 60-run target. 2 balls to go. Very good batting by Ahmed. Very good running also. It's a wide ball. It's a wide ball.
60
He
up.
came down the track, distracted him. He bowled down the leg side. He left the ball. Now it's 60 up. 2 balls to go. It's already a very good target. Ah, good ball. Good ball. Good ball. The keeper was agile enough to hit the stumps and Ahmed was out of the crease. Into a very nice innings. He got the Danaros back on track. They were lost in the middle overs. Now the score is 9 over 5 balls, 59, and the last ball to come. It's a very good score on this wicket, which is not coming onto the bat.
Dilip Tarani is a new batsman.
Our formal commentator.
To face just 1 ball.
The two players, they are talking in the middle. They must be talking that they have to run their heart out for this ball and whatever they can get.
अभी दिलीप का मैक्सिमम रन भाई तो रुक तो इधर थोड़ा कम से कम 4 मारना.
This last ball of the first innings coming up.
Yeah, 60 last ball.
And Dilip has hit it, but it's not has gone far. They can try for 2. They are running for the 2, but Rohan was up to the jail. He threw the ball to the keeper, and Dilip was not on back. So he's out. Last run of the over. Last run of the last ball. It is 61 right now. The target will be 62. We'll catch up then. This is Manish signing off for now. Stop.